they're supposed to do it for like 20 minutes. Sometimes they're doing 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
So it was a battle. And then we'd get them on. Then the next day or 2 days later, they come back and dump the same feeders and do the same thing.
Okay.
It was frustrating.
Yeah,
Very
definitely.
frustrating.
Yeah, ours was out like a half a day, and then came back on enough to heat it back up, and went back off, went back down for another half a day. We had a propane heater with, little.
Yeah.
And we just bring it in our living room, and we just crack the door open every hour or so,
Some
let a
air
little
circulation.
air come in, and make sure,
That's what I did with my wife last. I kept getting home one night for I did the same thing we did. I live on Barton, electric cut off. So we weren't out much. We were out 12 hours once or 2 hours once. Didn't have the water flow a week. But
oh no,
that was worse than not having electricity.
right.
My wife, she was so good. I'd come home and she'd boil some water so I could take a shower, wipe myself down a little bit.
Right.
And I did the same thing for her that one night. I got one 3-burner on the propane bottle. I stuck it in the garage. We got a bond medium. I took it back there, and just that big roll-up doors got a gap this high, so it kept enough air circulation. And I opened the door and put the lobby lid and blew it inside the house.
Yep.
Oh man.
Let me go get you the other one. They kept this.